and I had my floors replaced by NEWPRO. So the old carpet was buckling and it was stained, and despite only being a couple years old, it was matted down and you could see trails of where people were walking. My son is a recent kidney transplant patient, and infectious disease said that it's better not to have carpeting because it harbors the mold and the mildew and the allergens that can then cause my immunosuppressed child to get sick. So I expect it to help him remain healthy for long term. I think the floors look great. 1,000% step up from the carpet. They are a pretty good match to my existing floor in the hallway, and it looks very beautiful down. Thank you, NEWPRO.